I'm Eric, and I'm a sound re-recording mixer here at Rotor Film in Babelsberg, Potsdam, Berlin. I'm working in the post-production business for 10 years, but I'm a sound re-recording mixer for the last 4 or 5 years now. It was a very good work at the sound because the production sound, which was originally recorded in India, was very good. So the quality of the recording was very good, so it was very easy for me to do the mix. And it was a lot of fun because a lot of cultural differences between the German culture and the Indian culture.
Nur deswegen ist Martin hier.
Einmal die 115 bitte.
For me, I learned a lot about India, I guess, and yeah, in terms of sound and in terms of everything. Because as I don't understand the language, it's always difficult for me to know at what volume level I can bring up the Indian dialogue, because I'm not sure if everyone understands what it's meant to be, as I don't understand the language. For a German movie, I would sometimes normally mix the dialogue a little lower than in this Indian movie, because as I understand the language, it's more easy for me. And sometimes I don't know if an Indian word, is it an Indian word, or is it more a noise like a click or a plop, or has it a meaning in the Indian language? I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I think we figured it out quite well.
There are some backings.
मने बीज हरिक झाला, मने बीज हरिक झाला.